friends, today we are going to study conceptual aspect of community health. First we will study community, after that we will study health. As we know, human being is a social person and he lives in a community. So firstly we know about the community. Community living is a essential feature of human life because human beings can live in company of other people, help each other, and fulfill their physical, social, emotional, and spiritual need. The community may be very small or a simple village setup in which we have only 50 or 100 families, or it may be very big like a complex metropolitan city like Delhi. Whatever may be the size or complexity of the community, it influences the health and well-being of people. Many prevailing diseases are existing due to the environmental condition, cultural practices, biological aspect of human beings. Resources which are available in the community. So some of the example of such diseases are cholera, typhoid, tuberculosis, polio, tetanus, sexually transmitted disease which are communicable, and other which are non communicable are cancer, cardiovascular, blood disorder, nutritional deficiency disease, and many psychosocial disease and or problems such as alcoholism, drug abuse, child abuse, women abuse, poverty and fertility, etc. Although only some people in the community may be suffering from this disease and problem, but all are exposed to risk of this disease and problem. So we have to treat the whole community. This problem cannot be dealt by the individual or only the affected person only, because the community related problem, because it affects whole community also. It is the joint responsibility of the entire community, affected family and local organized body to combat this problem by organizing comprehensive healthcare services. In healthcare services we include health promotion, specific protection, early diagnosis, treatment, rehabilitation of the entire community. Health of people is thus community function. Community is the focus of the health care services. It is therefore desirable all health personnel to understand the conceptual aspect of the community. In the community, according to the definition of the community, there are so many definition of the community, but the main recognized definition of the community is a community is a social group recognized by the geographical boundaries and or common values and interest. Its members know and interact with each other. It function within a particular structure and exhibit and create certain norms, values and social institutions. In the definition of the community, it contains social group, geographical boundaries and their values and interest mainly, and they interact with each other. The people living in the community, they interact with each other. So according to their definition, we take three common factors for the community which are highlighted here: collection of people, place and social system. In the first, collection of people, community as a collection of people. Community is collection of people as a social interact with each other. People living in the community, they interact each other. We know that there are so many factors which affect the community. In a large community, there are subgroup of the community on the basis of their culture, belief, their religion and caste systems. The basic fact behind the group identification is their common characteristic which create the sense of belongingness. After all, they have so many in the community, they have their own occupation is, and after all that they are close to each other. This will influence the interaction of the people in the community. Then community is contain the entire community as a small village, district, state, country, or as a whole world. For example, deterioration of any component of the ecosystem may be physical environment, biological environment or animal kingdom in any part of the world, but its impact on health is global. There is a big example of it is the coronavirus, which is pandemic in the whole world. Community as a place. Community as a place refer to local geographical area boundaries within which the group of people common culture, belief, norms, custom. After that they live together. The geographical area comprised of their housing, buildings, building structure, network of street, roads, physical, biological environment mainly. And in geographical area we contain the river, roads, mountains. Their political the boundaries are important for the political senses and community health and the legislative uh, point of view. In 1952, the rural areas of district in 1952 rural areas of the district have been organized into community development block. It is called as CDBs, and CDBs is comprised of 100 villages as a population of 80,000 to 1,20,000 approximately. The urban areas of the district are known as towns and cities. It's depend on their size. Okay, then overall view of a community as their place. We know that as we are a human being, and we will take people as a protoplasm, as a living cell who give life to the community. The main system of the community are people, because it give liveliness to the community. And place is a cell wall which gives size, shape and hold the people together. And community as a social system, as hierarchy of needs of individual as basis of its growth, development and motivation, equally applicable to the community for its survival, growth, development and fulfillment. For it we will take the Maslow hierarchy of needs. As individual needs, same the community needs. First individual need is basic physiological need, same as the community vitalization and life sustaining need. Second one is the safety and security need, same the community safety and security need. Third one, love and belongingness need, same in the community needs for the love and belongingness. Fourth one, self esteem need, same the community recognition, name and regard needs of the community. And fifth, self actualization need, community realization needs. As it in a social system we compare its our individual need and in the social needs as a Maslow hierarchy of system. Function of the community, there are main 7 functions of the community. There are so many functions of the community, but we study mainly the utilization of space. Utilization, as we utilize and live in this community, and we'll utilize the housing, shelter for the socialization and recreation. It provides a space for housing, shelter or socialization and recreation. Means of livelihood, it provides us employment and sustain. Protection of its member, a community where people live, it provides protection of their member, create and enforces norms and control the safety and security. Production, distribution and consumption of goods and services. Socialization and education of its member. Participation and communication, people live in the community, they participate for so many activities and they communicate with each other. Linkage with the social system outside the community for meeting needs of the members. These functions are generally accepted function and supported by constitution, formal legislation and regulation, and moral and ethical codes developed by the community. And characteristics of a community, as we live in a community, there are so many characteristics of community, as every community have its distinctiveness, its uh, every community have its own value, its own boundary, its geographical boundary. Homogeneity, there are similarity in social characteristic of people living in the boundary of the community. There is similarity in language, lifestyle, custom, traditions. They share common interest, value, moral norms and codes. They are more homogeneous. closeness. People live in the community, in a same community, interact with each other. Face to face interaction is more there. Self sufficiency. One community is sufficient to live for a person. For example, space to live means for livelihood, education, protection, and security, etc. Sense of belongingness. People living in the community feel community feeling or like community consciousness there. Solidarity and sense of togetherness. There is unity and cohesiveness among the members in the community, which is based on the interaction and sense of belongingness to the community. There are so there are so many differences between the urban and the rural community according to their size, geographical boundaries, density of population, occupation, homogeneity and heterogeneity, social stratification, mobility, social interaction, social control, leadership pattern, social solidarity, and general environment and orientation to nature. And last one is the structure of the community. It's have only two essential aspects of the community: physical structure and social structure. In physical structure, pattern of settlement, natural resources, the man-made resources, and the human resource. Main the human resource is most important resource of the community, which give liveliness to the community. And social structure, in social structure, social stratification, social mobility, social control system, homogeneity, community organization, leadership pattern, group dynamics involve it. In next video we will study